Hey y'all, so it's us again. We're at the same gas station again and we've got some snacks, different snacks this time, and we're gonna go and do some light painting experiments out in Templin Highway. Templin Highway is like a mildly dark spot, and we've got some interesting light painting devices with us. So we are gonna go there. I'm gonna stick the GoPro to the outside of the car. So by the time we get there, I may or may not still have a GoPro. So if you see a time lapse, that means I still have my GoPro. All right, we'll see you there.
Never leaving the cell in this world, he trapped himself.
We're here. We're gonna set up the tripod. Tejas here is going to be the cameraman. He's gonna get me setting up the tripod. There's this awesome tower in the distance. We're gonna try and frame that up in some of our shots. So let's get right to it.